In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 17th December 2021 and the day would be Friday. Now let's look at Nifty 50. In yesterday's video, I said that depending on the Fed outcome, the market can decide the move, and it opened gap up owing to the global cues and then fell sharply. And it is strictly in a range. Now you can see that this is going to be the stronger resistance, and on the downside 17200 is going to act as strong support. And yesterday's video I said that 17100 on the downside and 17500 on the upside, or 17200 on the downside and 17500 on the upside is going to be the range between which Nifty can be indecisive. So as long as it is within this range, it will continue to be within this range until and unless one decisive move downward or one decisive move upward will lead the next direction of Nifty. That's what you can see in 1 hour chart also, that it is quietly in a range. It tried to break out, from there it sharply fell and is trading quietly in a range. So tomorrow, if Nifty opens anywhere within this candle and crosses this, then we are going to buy with 20 point or 25 point stop loss, and our target would be 17350, 17320 level, above which another buying spree can come up to 17440 or 17450 level. Now if it opens gap up, then it can be sold into, and 17300 is going to act as a good support. In that case, the only condition for sell, if it opens gap down near 17200 level, then it will continue the fall on the downside, and below 17200 we can sell, and our target would be near 17100 or 17120, around that level. So it is continue to be volatile and range bound. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. Now in Bank Nifty I said that it is going to be volatile between this range, and it is trading well within this range only. It came down, tested this level, and then it closed above. Now it has come well within this range. Now if Bank Nifty breaks this low, say 36300, so below 36300 we can sell Bank Nifty, and our target would be near 36000 and 35500 levels. So we can see on 1 hour chart that it is much more volatile. It also tried to close above this resistance but sharply fell, and then it continued. Today it opened and then it sharply fell. So what we can immediately do is that if Bank Nifty opens a little bit gap down or flat, then it is going to come down, and below 36500 we can sell with some quantities, and our target would be 36320 level. And if it opens gap down, then it may continue and break this level easily. But if it opens gap up, then it can be volatile again with 36750 as a resistance or 36800 as a resistance, and 36500 is going to act as support. So Bank Nifty is also looking volatile from here. So it is roughly going to trade within that same range that we described here. So it is going to be volatile within this range unless decisively either downward or upward it is broken. And those who have done the selling call and put on both sides has made a good profit. Now let's look at stocks. The first stock is BPCL. As you can see, after a fall it kind of made a higher high, and if it has to go up, then it will make a W pattern to break this level. So in any way it is going to come to this level. 400 is also a round level, so which is a psychological resistance. So up till here we can plan our trade. So if BPCL crosses 392, we can buy, keeping a 2 to 3 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be our target on the upside. The exact level will be provided on Instagram. The link is given in description below. The next stock is SBI Card. You can see from here it fell sharply and then it is pulling back. So if it has to fall, it will break this low. So in that case, it has to open somewhere around here and it has to fall continuously, or it has to open a gap down also. But if it continue its move on the upside up to 940 or so, then it will open kind of flat and breaks this level. Tomorrow if SBI Card opens flat and breaks 920, then we can buy, keeping a 3 to 4 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be our target on the upside. The next stock is India Hotel. As you can see, it's a classic lower high, lower low pattern. So it has completed making a lower top and then it is coming down, and it has also closed below the support line. So if tomorrow India Hotel trades below 194, then we can sell below 194, keeping a 2 to 3 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be our target on the downside. The next stock is Strides Pharma. You can see it's in a clear downtrend, kind of in a channel, and it is near the channel low. So if it breaks this low, then fall can be sharp. So if tomorrow Star breaks 453 on the downside, then we can sell below 453, keeping a 3 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be our target on the downside. So that is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.